Hey, Paul here. Hey, are you tired of sending out emails to your list only to hear crickets in return? Well, I know how you feel. Do you feel like your marketing strategy is missing something? Is there a voice telling you that your work would be more impactful if you were able to automate some of those less creative tasks and focus on what matters most? If so, let me introduce Wealth Autopilot. Wealth Autopilot is a marketing system designed specifically for entrepreneurs. It is created and has been created to help anyone engage with their audience by removing human error and making the job of presenting and selling a simple task. Wealth Autopilot is an automated marketing system designed to grab interest and present an offer upon request. Now, the system was designed specifically for our group of entrepreneurs, and we're making it available to those of you who wish to join us. See, we believe in the philosophy that systems work, people fail, which brought about the desire to produce the Wealth Autopilot system in the first place, and that is to remove the human error and make the job of presenting and selling an automated process. Now, of course, we also need a product or service worthy of public scrutiny. So we've aligned with a company and a product that holds value for anyone who desires to engage with our system. So the next step, if you desire, is to get acquainted with our offer and what we promote to experience what the Wealth Autopilot system can do for you. Again, this is exclusive to our team, and we invite you to take a look, if you so choose, to move forward. Now, we have put in place some bonuses as well that will be made available on a first-come, first-served basis. So don't delay. You'll find a link that will show up here or nearby for you to register, along with a brief video from our CEO and presenter, Vic Strysus. Now, this will allow you to get all the details and make an intelligent decision for your future. So I would urge you, get registered now, and we look forward to welcoming you to the team. Click the link now. Thank you.